Amegive way to Kibwana.
Thutha wa kurega kwaria hindi ya igongona ria guthurima waki wa ndemu ya Thwake, ona thengia ya kuheo mweke maita meri arie, rita ria mbere ni mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka, na ria keri ni President Uhuru Kenyatta.
Ndugu Raila mwenyewe amekuja na kushukuru kwa kufika, tulikuwa tukutarajia.
Mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga aracenjirie meciria make haria muthabara wa president urarugameire rita ria keri kaunti-ini ya Machakos, kuria president arathurimaga waki wa mucii wa Konza. Odinga aratemania urata wa heho uria ukoretwo ho gatagati-ini gake na mutongoria wa Wiper na kwihotha gwake hari gutigirira ati kihonia ni kionekana.
There have been too much propaganda by the media that Raila is giving his colleagues in NASA conditions. I'm not giving Steve conditions. We are talking and we are going to talk and we are going to be together.
Ciama cia ODM na Jubilee cikirikana ati ni hindi cirathugunda ngwataniro iria cigatonya nayo githurano-ini kia mwaka twerekeire. Odinga ni ahithuritie ati kwina mubango wa kunyita ugeni President Uhuru Kenyatta ngwataniro-ini ino iria ikuriukia NASA, ona angikorwo andu amwe aria mari thiini wa ngwataniro ino mwaka-ini wa 2017 maugite ati no hinya kumihe mihumu ya muoyo na yukire.
We are going to come together, NASA, Your Excellency, and we invite you also to become a member of NASA.
Kalonzo ugite ati ni arikitie gutheria nyumba yake uteti-ini wa Ikamba-ini iria na hau kabere yari na miatuka yeyumbaga, kumwe magavana mothe ma gitaru giki makiuga ndagirire gukahurira ruriri rwa Ikamba thuguri yote ti mwaka-ini wa 2022.
Hizi umeona wewe mwenyewe. Ile siasa ilikuwa ndogo ndogo, hakuna, tunaendelea vizuri. Now that is the spirit that we want, because we want to focus on development, not to focus on things that don't matter.
Nakubaliana na viongozi wenzangu kwamba zile tofauti kidogo kidogo ni sibling rivalry.
Kwa hivyo sisi wote tukijitahidi kama viongozi tuweke siasa kando, tuhudumia wananchi. Elections are very far. We'll be able to forge ahead and make Kenya a better place.
Let us see how also we in these 3 counties can come together and make use of this facility for our own people.
Akirongoreria migwi yote ti kuri munini wake, President augite ati uteti uria kwarahura utonga wa bururi-ini wa ukuria editi wa kurutira andu ethi cioneki citangikinyirika.
Ukiamkia yako ni kushtumu ya mwenzako, yako ni kulaumu mwenzako, yako ni kudanganya ya kwamba wachana na huyo, mimi nipe, utaniona baada ya mwaka mmoja. Kwani wewe ni malaika ama Mungu jameni? Badala ya tuungane pamoja tuseme tufikishe hapa alafu tusonge mbele. Hivi ndivyo njia ya kujenga nchi.
President no arutite kiraniro kia gutigirira ati tabarira cia ukuria ni cia hanyukio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV. Njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.